Hi everyone, how's everyone doing tonight? Guys, I'm super excited. This is a new company and it's called the Mermaid Cavern. Okay. Basically, I believe it's a husband and wife, and I believe they're both artists and they draw their own images. So all their images, of course, are licensed. It's licensed artwork. And they also sell diamond paintings. They sell trash cover minders. I believe she has one glitter trinket tray and also tumbler trash minders with a little screw lid. They're like very tiny. They're so very cute. And she also has mermaids, and you know I love mermaids. And she also has Halloween, these really cool Halloween paintings for now. All right, so this one's called Oceans Away. All right, so let's open this up. And I like what it says in the back. And by the way, she's going to be sending them in I believe it's a white box with the logo in the middle. But I like what it says in the back. It says 5 reasons why diamond painting is great for your health. 1, reduces stress and anxiety, like meditation. 2, trains your brain to focus, like a gym for your brain. 3, helps your fine motor skills. If you don't use it, you lose it. Number 4, increases your social circles, huge community to be part of. And number 5, helps to spark creativity. Yep, so true. All right, so let's open this baby up. Let's put the box aside. As you can see, the painting comes in a plastic bag to protect it while it's traveling. All right. She also offers, I believe, free shipping if you spend $100 or more. Okay. The canvas is very nice and soft. All right, let's see. So here's the toolkit. Let's get the drills out. All right, so let's put that aside. Very quickly, let's look at the toolkit. Isn't it exciting, guys? Husband and wife working together, and they're both artists. It's exciting. And they also have a Etsy shop. And the Etsy shop, I believe it's the MermaidCavernn.com. All right, so here we have some black tweezers. We have a diamond pen with a comfort grip. And this is a single placer. And I believe this is a 3 placer. And I think this is a 7 placer. And of course, the tray. All the things that you need for diamond painting. All right. Okay, so here we have the inventory sheet. And of course, this is the sticker sheet, okay? Which is nice, she sends both. All right, so the sticker sheet has pre-cut individual stickers for your containers, okay? And this is the beautiful image. And it is round and has 5 ABs, guys, 5 ABs. And this is the logo right there, the Mermaid Cavern. Sparkle bright like a mermaid. You know, guys, I love mermaids and fairies. Okay, so here are I love these bags, by the way. These are the bags that I like. Looks like they're in numerical order, the 68 bags, 68 colors. I'm just gonna bring it up because this is a lot of colors. But as you can see, it's got a little bit of, a lot of blues, a lot of purples, some pinks, some reds. All right, so let's put that aside. And by the way, before I forget, the drills are resin for the square and the round, for both. And resin, of course, drills are the best drills. Okay, so we're gonna look at that later. All right, so, which is cool. Well, this is port blue. And, oh wow, it's gorgeous, guys. So you can see. And also it has scallop edges to prevent fraying, which we all like. As you can see in the bottom, it says sparkle bright like a mermaid. Here has a picture, Oceans Away, the Mermaid Cavern, 50 by 83 centimeters, which is 19.69 by 32.68 inches. And then over here are where you find them: Instagram, YouTube, Gmail, and of course the Etsy, the MermaidCavernn.com. Okay, and then on the top there goes the logo, the Mermaid Cavern, and it has 2 legends. So it has a legend on the upper right, upper left hand side, and it has another legend on the lower right hand side. So the legend comes in handy because it basically, if you look at it, the first row, it tells you it has 68 colors. Then the middle are the symbols, and then the colors, these are the DMC code. And the bottom it tells you the ABs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs, and ABs are basically Aurora Borealis, which means it's just a drill with an extra sparkle or shine. Okay. Okay. So why don't we bring out, actually, but before we do that, why don't we look at the painting? Hello, Sylvia. Okay. So what do we see? We see this beautiful mermaid, and look at the colors and look how bright she is. Okay, we're gonna have to push this back, the lighting, because we don't want to see glare. All right, so look at her hair, guys. It's beautiful. She's got bangs, she's got pinks, purples, blues, white, and it looks like she's got a little starfish on her hair. She's got a pair of earrings, and then in the background it looks like they're plants, very colorful plants. I'm not sure if this is the sky back here. Beautiful face, just beautiful almond blue eyes. You can see her little ear there. Okay, and it looks like she just popped out of the water. Okay, she's surrounded by the water. She came out for maybe to get some fresh air, or maybe to get a little bit of sun. Why not, right? And then in the bottom here, I don't know what this is, but I think it looks like a little umbrella, or maybe a little, or some kind of shell. Don't know. Anyway, it's very, very clear, guys. The rendering is very sharp. I'm gonna bring her up so you can see her beautiful face. All right, you can see that, but look at her eyes. There goes her earring. Look at the colors on her hair. Gorgeous. All right, so let's bring out the drills. And we're just gonna basically, like I said, there's just too many colors, so we're just, and I like that they're in numerical order, but we're just gonna take out the ABs. And we're gonna look to see where the ABs go in the painting. So there's 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do this so we can maybe see the colors a little better on the other side, and I'll bring it up. See that? Now we need the light again. Let's get the light here. Can you see that? Beautiful. All right, let's put that aside. All right, let's look at the ABs. So we have number 64. It's a very pretty sparkly purple. I love that color. And then we have 65. It's also a purple, but it's a lighter one. And then 66 is a pink. And then you have 67 is a lighter pink, maybe like a blush color. And number 68 is like a turquoise, like a blue turquoise. Very pretty. All right, so let's bring back the beautiful painting. And let's see where these ABs go, guys. All right, so let's do the first one. 64. 64 is the equal sign, okay? And it's 208 AB. And so let's start from the bottom. So the equal sign, let's see, do we have, yep, we have some equal signs back here. Some in the middle, maybe it is a shell. I don't know. Okay, and then we'll slide this down. There's some here also. Any on her hair? Let's see. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, there's some here on her hair. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be on her hair and some on the plants. And I think on that, whatever that is at the bottom, I think it's some kind of shell. All right, number 65 is the equal, oh, I'm sorry, the 4, number 4 symbol, and it's 210 AB. So wherever you see number 4, and it's a lighter purple. So I see one right there. Let's see, any light, oh, over here on her bun. I'm gonna have to push this back again. On her hair. Let's see. How about down here? No, that's it. Okay, well, if you look at it, it's not a lot. All right, so we're gonna put those two there. 66 is 818 AB, and it's a musical sign. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's see. Let's look up here. Musical sign. Oh yeah, it's all over here in the plant. Some up here. How about her face? Any on her face? Yep, right here. Some on her face, on her nose. Some down here on her chest. Oh, lots of here on her chest and her shoulders. Okay. All right. That means that she's going to be super sparkly, her skin. Wow. Because the sun is probably hitting her. Okay, 67 is 819 AB, and it's the check. And I already see it, guys. It's everywhere. Okay. They're scattered on her skin. Let's see. There's some over here. Okay. Some over here on the plant. Let's see. Down here. Let's check down here. Yeah, there's some here also. Not many, but there's some there. Okay, and this painting, by the way, guys, it is lots of confetti, but it has color blocking too, like on her skin, but mostly lots of confetti. All right, and then the last one is 996 AB, and that's going to be number 9, and that's everywhere, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So it's going to be on her hair, on her bangs, some back here, down here. Oh, it's on her eyes. Okay. So it's all over her hair. It has to be under water, right? Some on the water because it's blue. What did I say it was? Oh, number 9. Yep, it's on the water. Water right here. And some down here. Over here. Wow. Gorgeous. Very, very happy with this painting, guys. The rendering is amazing. Very, very sharp. All right, well, I hope you guys love her as much as I do. And yeah, go check them out. Thank you very much, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.